In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A52, and let me show you how to reset accessibility settings in this phone. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select General Management and reach Reset. Here you will notice Reset Accessibility Settings, just mark it, and if you truly want to remove all setup for your accessibility apps, just tap on Reset Settings. Then draw your pattern if you have one, and confirm it by tapping on Reset. And that's it. As you can see, accessibility settings have been reset, so that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.